You won't believe what just arrived, my dear friends. Nandito tayo kay Bristol, Davao City. And ayan, massive shoutout kay Sir George and kay Ma'am Cathy. Uy, Ma'am Cathy, say hi naman dyan. May bago silang dating. Actually, may photoshoot na sila ng QJ SRV 200. Pero dito tayo sa mga kaibigan natin naghahanap ng scooter. Mura, maganda, may kalidad. Lahat ng gusto mong mabanggit nandito na ata kay QJ Motor Torino. And you know how it goes, my dear friends. Before anything else, let's give it a proper view. Sound check coming from Ma'am Thea. Ganito po yung tunog niya as a stock. Ayan na. Eh di ba? Model pa yung nag-start ng motorsiklo, my dear friends. And the sound? Oo nga, no, hindi natin pwedeng ganunin, no? Kasi ano? Ganda. Stock lang naman, my dear friends, kaya ganon. So alam niyo naman, my dear friends, yung channel ko pinupuno ko ng mga classic bike. And not just classic bike, it can be a classic scooter as well. Sa harapan niyo po, meron tayong tatlong color, meron tayong white, meron tayong yellow, meron tayong black. Nag-photoshoot sila ng black. Abangan nyo na lang sa Bristol Davao page, baka ilabas nila bukas. Malalaman nyo na lang yan. Anyway, my dear friends, this motorcycle right here has a 124cc air-cooled engine, 4-stroke, single overhead cam na kayang pumalo ng 9.2 horsepower with 9.5 Nm of torque. Gusto natin, hanapin ang gasolinahan. So, ang gas tank nasa likod, typical classic, 6 liters gas tank capacity po tayo. Nakalagay sa internet, 3 liters per 100 kilometers. Pero kung marunong ka, sa tingin ko, kayang umabot ito ng 45 kilometers per liter. Tignan na lang din natin yung kanyang compartment size. Ganito lang yun po yung makikita nyo. Not that much. Even a half-face helmet won't fit on this one. Even for kids won't fit on this one. But it's not that bad. Ang kanyang timbang kapag basa, 109 kilograms only. Tatawagin natin si Ma'am Katya for your seat height reference, 760 mm. Height mo? Sampa ka na lang din dito, okay lang? Ayan. Ang pangalan mo, ma'am? Ma'am? Ma'am Thea. First time mo to? So, ayan, model siya. She's 5'3". Sampahan na lang din natin, ma'am. Kaya naman. Siyempre, photo na lang din ako, ma'am. 1, 2. Thank you. Ulitin ko, 760 mm. She is 5'2". And ano, kaya paborito na akin si Ma'am Katleya na seat height kasi ano, bagay na bagay. And naka-uniform siya. 5'2" talaga, aminado, no? Kaya mong pakita yung paa mo dyan, ma'am? Sa side ko, ayan. So, ano, typical siya with heels. So, hindi naman nakakatulong yung heels. Angat-angat niya pa nga yung heels eh. So, ganyan po yung makukuha natin, my dear friends. Very typical kasi scooter siya and seat height approachable. This is the white. Lapitan. Ito yung nagustuhan ko sa white nila, pearl white. This is the yellow. This is my favorite kung hindi po black. Pero alam nyo naman tayo, Mr. Blackman tayo eh. Kaya yan. Lapitan natin para makita nyo po ng maayos yung kanyang pintura. Pearl white with a combination of gray on this part. Plastic po, kaya magaan eh. And open natin. DRL kaagad yung lalabas, my dear friends. Yun yung maganda sa kanya. Hindi mo makikita yung ilaw kapag hindi mo in-start eh. Wala ako nakitang fast switch. This is how it goes if you're going to do the high beam. Alright. Naka-LED po tayo all the way, including the front turn signals, my dear friends. Woo! I love it. I love the way it looks. And ganito din yung itsura ng kanyang brake light. Ma'am Kat, pa-brake ka please. Bagay sa'yo, ma'am. Dapat nag-model ka talaga, ipakita ko sa'yo mamaya. Okay, a mix of digital and Ayan o, analog. Kanyang high beam. Alrighty. Ang kanyang check engine light. And if you press this one, trip A, trip B, then that's it. Press this one. You convert it to miles. Miles and kilometer. Ayan, 4 kilometers siya, my dear friends. May orasan, fuel gauge. So maganda yung datingan niya. The controls are totally fine. Busina, lakas naman po. And turn signals are like this. When you want to return it, pipindutin mo to. Good job. Good job. May nakaiwan ng phone, no? Pero yung phone to. Kita na natin. Formahan. Maganda talaga. The paint job, ang linis ng pagkakagawa eh. And Torino. So, it sounds Italian. I think the design is coming from Italy. And nagustuhan ko yung kanyang seat, my dear friends. Naupuan natin siya kanina. It feels comfortable. It's not that much soft actually kung hawakan mo. Ayan, no? Hindi siya yung kakapalan. Pero I think it's good enough for a long ride, at least 200 kilometers. Decent din po yung pagkakabigay nila ng spasyo sa pillion ride. And malambot naman po. Actually, to be quite honest, mas malambot to kaysa sa dito. Pero eto nga lang, mako-cover talaga lahat ng parts for the rider. And nakita natin upuan ni Ma'am Thea and Ma'am Cathy. Pasok na pasok for smaller riders talaga. And of course, for 5'6" tall like me, I like it. Personally, I like it. Pero kapag nilapitan mo, ayan o, glittery talaga siya, my dear friends. Yun yung maganda sa kanya. Pati din yung turn signals niya, maganda. Pati din yung pagkakayari ng kanyang fenders, maganda. Ay hindi, ganun talaga siya. So, ganito siya, o, di pindot o. Stick lang. Ano ibalik? Ayan, kahit na may fin siya dito, wala namang butas. Ayan, tignan na rin din natin dito. Ayun, dito nga lang yung may butas. The emblem right here. Maganda yung pagkakayari, hindi pinagdamot. The same thing as on the left side. Pareho sila, hindi pinagdamot. Footboard or gulay board. Pwede, why not? And, ayun, 5'6" tall, size 9.5. Pwede. Kanyang glove box. Yan naman po. Okay din dito, mas spacious sa kanan, my dear friends. 190mm disc brake po tayo with a golden caliper. Ulala sa kanyang harapan. Pare-pareho yan, my dear friends, kahit napiliin yung black or yung yellow. Sa may likuran naman, drum brake tayo. Front suspension, telescopic fork, non-inverted. Sa likuran, preload adjustable with a single shot, my dear friends. Single sided swing shot. Ang size ng kanyang gulong 190 12, sa kanyang likuran naman 110 90 12. It's not that bad. It's not a fat tire, but it's not that bad to be quite honest. So a massive shout out to Ma'am Cathy, massive shout out to Bristol, Davao City for allowing me to vlog and feature their new bike. Vlog natin si SRV 200 kasi marami tayong commenter dyan. Pero dito muna tayo kasi i-upload natin ito agad-agad. Ayan na yung pala yung price. 118k po tayo with free 30k worth of merchandise coming from QJ Motor, Bristol or whatever. May free kayong 30,000 worth of merchandise.